1. Breakthrough in malaria treatment. First ever drug for infants and children approved. 2. Novartis secures approval for groundbreaking newborn malaria treatment. 1. Breakthrough in malaria treatment. First ever drug for infants and children approved. Asterisk asterisk, a groundbreaking milestone in the fight against malaria for young children asterisk asterisk. In a significant advancement for pediatric healthcare, Swiss health authorities have granted approval for the very first medication specifically designed to combat malaria in infants and young children. This innovative treatment is not only groundbreaking, but also user-friendly. It can be dissolved and mixed with breast milk, ensuring that it is easy for caregivers to administer to their little ones. Currently, 8 African nations that took part in the clinical trials are on the verge of endorsing this vital malaria treatment. This is particularly crucial given the alarming statistics surrounding malaria, which claims the lives of approximately 600,000 individuals globally each year, with a heartbreaking majority being children under the age of 5. Asterisk asterisk, why this matters asterisk asterisk. The introduction of this treatment could potentially save countless lives and change the landscape of malaria treatment for the youngest and most vulnerable populations. But here's where it gets controversial. While this approval is a monumental step forward, some experts argue that access to such treatments in remote areas remains a significant challenge. Asterisk asterisk, join the conversation asterisk asterisk. What do you think about the approval of this new malaria treatment? Do you believe it will reach those who need it most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Asterisk asterisk, related topics asterisk asterisk. Asterisk, malaria, https://www.democracynow.org/topics/malaria. Asterisk, healthcare, https://www.democracynow.org/topics/healthcare. 2. Novartis secures approval for groundbreaking newborn malaria treatment. Breaking news from the biotech world. Novartis has just received regulatory approval to use its malaria treatment, Coartem, for newborns and very young infants. A crucial advancement in combating this devastating disease from the earliest days of life. But here's where it gets controversial. Extending a medication traditionally given to older patients to vulnerable newborns raises important questions about safety, dosing, and long-term effects. And this is the part most people miss. Why hasn't this been done sooner? Before we dive deeper, a quick catch-up on other biotech headlines you need to know today. Cargo Therapeutics, a developer specializing in CAR-T therapies, is being bought out and subsequently shut down by Concentra Biosciences, a private firm led by investor Kevin Tang. This move highlights ongoing consolidation trends within the biotech industry where innovation hubs sometimes get swallowed or shuttered in pursuit of financial strategies, sparking debate about whether such moves slow progress or simply streamline the sector. Now back to Novartis's milestone. The Swiss authorities have officially approved Coartem for use in newborns and infants, expanding the reach of an established malaria treatment to the tiniest patients. For decades, Coartem has saved countless lives in older children and adults, but malaria in neonates has posed unique challenges due to their delicate physiology and the need for precise dosing. This approval means that medical practitioners now have a sanctioned tool to address malaria from the moment a child is born, potentially reducing mortality rates that have been stubbornly high in malaria-endemic regions. Understanding the significance, newborns' immune systems are still developing, making them especially vulnerable to severe illness. Having an approved, effective treatment option tailored to their needs could be a game-changer. Plus, this development could inspire more research and regulatory attention on early life treatment options for other infectious diseases too. However, it also opens the door to debates on drug testing in infants, ethical considerations about trials, and how to best monitor long-term outcomes. Are regulators and pharmaceutical companies doing enough to protect our youngest patients while accelerating access to life-saving medications? What do you think about the growing trend of consolidations, like the Cargo Therapeutics acquisition? Is it beneficial for innovation, or does it risk shutting down promising research prematurely? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. For those interested in staying fully informed on the intersection of science, healthcare, and policy driving biotech today, consider subscribing to our newsletter for more in-depth stories, analyses, and expert insights.